Hello and welcome to BitcoinDorks, your daily source for all things related to cryptocurrency markets and important news. Today we'll be discussing the recent news that the U.S. Federal Reserve has denied Custodia Bank membership over cryptocurrency concerns. Custodia Bank is a fintech company that provides institutional investors with custody services for digital assets. They applied for membership to the Federal Reserve's banking system in 2019, but their application was recently denied due to concerns about their involvement with cryptocurrency. This news has sent shockwaves throughout the cryptocurrency industry, and many experts are now questioning what this could mean for the future of institutional investment in digital assets. The Federal Reserve is responsible for regulating and supervising banks and other financial institutions in the United States. As part of this responsibility, they evaluate the safety and soundness of banks before granting them membership to the Federal Reserve's banking system. According to the Federal Reserve's letter to Custodia Bank, the denial was based on concerns about the risks associated with digital assets and the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency industry. The letter also stated that Custodia Bank's business model and activities presented a number of compliance and operational risks. This decision by the Federal Reserve is not surprising given the regulatory uncertainty surrounding cryptocurrency in the United States. The lack of clear guidance from regulators has made it difficult for companies in the cryptocurrency industry to comply with existing regulations, and has also made it difficult for regulators to determine how best to regulate this emerging asset class. The denial of Custodia Bank's application for membership to the Federal Reserve's banking system is likely to have a significant impact on their ability to operate in the United States. Without access to the Federal Reserve's banking system, Custodia Bank will not be able to participate in the U.S. payment system and may find it difficult to provide custody services to institutional investors. This news highlights the need for greater regulatory clarity in the cryptocurrency industry. As more and more institutional investors enter the market, there is a growing need for clear regulations that provide certainty and stability. Without clear guidance from regulators, companies in the cryptocurrency industry will continue to face uncertainty and may struggle to gain the trust of institutional investors. This denial could also have far-reaching implications for the broader cryptocurrency industry. If other financial institutions are denied membership to the Federal Reserve's banking system, it could limit the ability of institutional investors to access digital assets and could slow the growth of the industry. However, some experts believe that this denial could also be an opportunity for the cryptocurrency industry to push for greater regulatory clarity. By working with regulators to establish clear guidelines for digital assets, companies in the industry could help to build trust with institutional investors and create a more stable investment environment. There are already some signs that regulators are starting to take a more proactive approach to regulating the cryptocurrency industry. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, recently announced that it would be holding a public forum on blockchain and digital assets in May 2021, which could help to generate greater clarity around the regulatory landscape. The recent news also underscores the importance of custody services in the cryptocurrency industry. Custody services play a critical role in providing a safe and secure way for institutional investors to hold digital assets. Without reliable custody services, institutional investors may be reluctant to enter the market, which could limit the growth of the industry. The denial of Custodia Bank's application for membership to the Federal Reserve's banking system also highlights the need for companies in the cryptocurrency industry to take compliance and operational risk seriously. By taking a proactive approach to compliance and risk management, companies can demonstrate to regulators and institutional investors that they are committed to operating in a safe and responsible manner. Overall, the denial of Custodia Bank's application for membership to the Federal Reserve's banking system is a reminder of the regulatory challenges facing the cryptocurrency industry. While the industry has made significant progress in recent years, there is still a long way to go in terms of establishing clear regulations and building trust with institutional investors. One possible solution to the regulatory challenges facing the cryptocurrency industry is the development of a regulatory sandbox. A regulatory sandbox is a framework that allows companies to test new products and services in a controlled environment without being subject to all of the usual regulatory requirements. This could allow companies in the cryptocurrency industry to experiment with new business models and products, while also allowing regulators to monitor and evaluate the risks associated with these activities. Another potential solution is the development of self-regulatory organizations, SROs, within the cryptocurrency industry. SROs are industry associations that establish and enforce their own standards and rules in order to promote fair and ethical practices within the industry. By developing SROs within the cryptocurrency industry, companies could demonstrate to regulators and institutional investors that they are committed to operating in a safe and responsible manner. In conclusion, the denial of Custodia Bank's application for membership to the Federal Reserve's banking system is a reminder of the challenges facing the cryptocurrency industry. However, it is also an opportunity for the industry to work with regulators to establish clear guidelines for digital assets and build trust with institutional investors. With greater regulatory clarity and more reliable custody services, the cryptocurrency industry can continue to grow and mature, bringing the benefits of blockchain technology to a wider audience. It is important for companies in the cryptocurrency industry to take compliance and operational risks seriously and to demonstrate a commitment to operating in a safe and responsible manner. By doing so, they can help to build trust with regulators and institutional investors and can help to create a more stable and secure investment environment for all stakeholders. As always, thank you for watching Bitcoin Dorks, and be sure to subscribe for more daily updates on the cryptocurrency markets and important news.